Hi, this is the Motorola Moto G73 and I'll show you how to activate the SIM pin or SIM card on that device. So let's first open the settings application and then scroll down to the security section. Then scroll more down and tap to more security settings. Then go to SIM card lock, and to lock our SIM card with a PIN code, we should click once on the switcher, then tap to OK, and now we should enter our PIN code. For example, in my case, that will be from 1 to 4. Then just tap to OK, and that's it. We just successfully locked SIM card with the PIN code. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.